Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can reverse your video in CapCut PC. So this is super simple and this basic tutorial, and I think this video is especially for those of you who are using CapCut PC for the first time. So open the CapCut PC and import your video you like to edit. For example, I'm going to select this video, add to track. You can see the original video like this, and I'm going to reverse. So how to just click on the reverse button right here and waiting for reversing clip according to the duration of the video. So you can see for the final result. All right, for a different, I'm going to copy paste, and for the second clip I'm going to reverse. Right, so this is the final result. This original video in one clip and second clip for the reversing video. Alright, that's how you can reverse the video in CapCut PC. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.